So we finally decided to do the fish room, and when you get inside room 1, this is going to be where all the 4-foot tank stands are going to be. So today we're going to start on the ceiling and the isolation. So we're going to take wood and do the brandiring, and yeah, we'll probably do that. And if we're done, we'll update you guys on how it's looking. So thanks. Okay, so after a few hours of processing and welding and screwing and hammering, we got all of the wood up to get the ceiling board attached. We got the window welded so that we can't open the window anymore. Then we're going to put some bricks here to block off the heat inside, because we're going to heat the whole entire room.